Hi, this is Chef Brad, America's Grain Guy. I just want to share with you a moment, some of my personal tips about health and fitness. A few years ago, I had one of those moments where I really took a look at myself and I was like, oh my goodness, I am going to be a fat old man. And I can't do that. And I used for a long time the excuse that I'm a chef, I can eat whatever I want. Well, you know what? I've changed my eating habits and I still eat whatever I want, but I'm about 70 pounds lighter. And let me tell you exactly how I did it. Whole grains. Whole grains and fiber, that is the key. That's why I love my Wondermill and my WonderMix, because it's provided a way for me to incorporate the whole grains into my lifestyle in everything that I eat. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I include whole grains in there. And there's so many different grains that are filled with nutrition, packed with fiber, perfect for the needs of our body, especially in today's busy lifestyle. I am a living example that you can eat what you want and stay healthy and nutritious, but the secret is making sure that the majority of the foods you eat are filled with fiber and nutrition, and that you're making it from scratch and you get away from the chemicals and all the garbage that's out there. I feel great. I'm in my 50s and I feel like I'm in my 30s, and it's because I eat right, exercise, take care of myself, and life is much better when you feel good.